In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get all follower forms in Code of the Lamb. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Follower forms are the skins that alter the appearance of your cult members. These forms are purely cosmetic in nature. They can be unlocked or acquired through various means. Each follower form presents a distinct visual style, ranging from normal animals such as cats or foxes to rarer creatures such as axolotls or narwhals. So a few of these skins will be acquired by default, while others you will have to complete various different objectives or purchase DLC. So for the normal forms, you will be able to get the default ones and found these randomly in any location. Then you have the Darkwood forms. These ones will be found in Darkwood and obtained after defeating and indoctrinating the respective mini-boss in Darkwood. Next, you have Anura skins, which can be found randomly in Anura, and then, just like the Darkwood ones, you will be able to get these 4 ones after dealing with the mini-boss. Finally, you have Anchor Deep and Silk Cradle skins or forms, which once again have the same requirement methods, and then you have others. Some of these will have different objectives to be completed. So for example, kill a squirrel on a crusade, catch 20 butterflies or fireflies, offer shells, and so on. So just pause the video and look at any of these forms, and you will be able to see the respective objective that you need to complete if you would like to get a specific one. Then, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you also have the DLC forms. These will be acquired by default upon acquiring the respective DLC unless mentioned otherwise. So all that you have to do is purchase the DLC and you will be able to access these. I hope I was able to help you on how to get all follower forms in Code of the Lamb. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.